Hello, in this video we will do exercise 6, page 59. Observe the following figure and complete the table. We have angles. We have to find their measure, the nature, the vertex, and the arms. UOZ. We have to find the measure of UOZ. We use a protractor, but first we have to elongate its arms. Let's find the arms. The arms are OU, OZ. Let's write the arms here. O, we put a bracket. O, capital O, because it is a point, a vertex. Small u, parenthesis, because we know that the arms are semi-straight lines. And OZ. So these are the arms. So first we have to elongate OU from U. OU, we elongate OU from U. And OZ from Z. We use a ruler gel to elongate. Okay. So we elongate the lines. Then we take a protractor. We put it on one arm. Let's put it on OU, for example. And we put this zero or this dash on O. We start from 0. Which numbers are starting from 0? These or these? These starting from 0. So we measure from 0. And we look. The other arm becomes to which number? Which measure? It is 70 or 71. So it is 70 or 71. We can write 70 or 71. 71. Don't forget the degree. The unit is degree. 71 degrees. Now what is the nature of this angle? The measure is smaller than 90 degrees. So the nature is acute angle. The nature is acute because it is smaller, the measure is smaller than 90 degrees. So it is an acute angle. Now what is the vertex? The vertex is the point in the middle. It is O. The vertex is O. And we write it capital because it is a point. The vertex is a point, so it is a capital letter. Now we have to find the measure of UIX. Let's see what are the arms because we have to elongate the arms. IUIX. So the arms are IU and IX. We draw arms for the angle. So let's write the arms here. They are semi-straight lines, so we put bracket I, capital I, small u and small x. Small u parentheses because they are semi-straight lines. Now Ix. So we have to elongate IU from U. We elongate IU. So now we have to elongate IX from X. We use a ruler to elongate. Now we take the protractor and we put it on one arm. For example, we can put it on IX. And we put the middle of the protractor at the vertex I. We start from this side because the first arm we put the protractor on is from this side, and we start from 0. So these numbers are starting from 0, and we look, the other arm is at 30. So the measure is 30 degrees. The measure is 30, and don't forget the unit, it is degrees. Now, what is the nature of this angle? The measure is smaller than 90 degrees, so the nature is acute. It is an acute angle. Now, what is the vertex? The vertex is at the middle. It is a point I. The vertex is I. Now, V, O, Z. The arms are O, V, O, Z. Let's write first the arms, then we elongate them. O bracket, O capital O, it is a point. Small v, because we have a small letter, parenthesis, O, Z, and the arms are semi-straight lines. Now let's elongate OV from V and OZ from Z. We already elongate OZ, so we just elongate OV from V. Now we take the protractor, we put it on one arm. We can put it on OV or OZ. Let's put it on OV. We put one side of the protractor on OV and we put the middle at the vertex O. Now we put the protractor on OV, so we start from this side and we start on the numbers starting from 0. We measure on the numbers, these numbers of starting from 0. So we look at these numbers. The other side is at, the other side, it is at 20 degrees. So the measure is 20 degrees. Degrees. Now, what is the nature of this angle? The measure is 20. It is smaller than 90 degrees. So the nature is acute. It is an acute angle. Now, what is the vertex? The vertex is at the middle. It is the point O. Now we have to find the measure of UOT. Let's look what are the arms. The arms are OU, OT. To know the arms, draw arms for the angle. It is OU, OT. So let's write the arms first. Bracket O small u parenthesis because it is a semi-straight line and O T. Now let's elongate OU from U. We already elongated. And OT from T. Now we take the protractor, we put it on one arm of this angle. We can elongate, we can put it on OU or on OT. Let's put it on OU, for example. And we can put it on OT if we want. And we put the dash in the middle on the vertex O. Now, pay attention. We put the protractor on OU. So we start measuring from this side because the arm is OU and we put it on this arm. So we start from this side, not from this side, from the right, because we put the protractor on OU and OU is from the right. Now we measure on this angle, this measures, we look at this measures or these. We look at the measures starting from 0. So these measures starting from 0. So we look at these measures. And we look the other arm is on which measure? It is on 110. We look at these measures. It is at 110. So the measure of this angle is 110 degrees. 110 degrees. Don't forget the unit. It is degrees, small round. Now, what is the nature of this angle? This angle is 110 and 110 is greater than 90 degrees. So it is an obtuse angle. It is an obtuse angle because the measure is greater than 90 degrees. What is the vertex? It is at the middle. So it is a point O. And thank you.